Whether you're a homeowner, a DIYer, or a contractor, we know that jobs come in all different shapes and sizes around the house. And luckily for us, Great Stuff is thinking about the end user, so we have a product to tackle the small projects along with the large ones that we find ourselves running into. But how do you make a can of foam more innovative? Great Stuff found a way, through their Smart Dispenser technology. With this new system, there are small black tabs at the base of the straw, which conveniently engages with the can itself and prevents the straw from ever coming loose. And as a general pro tip when using any can of Great Stuff, make sure the can is upside down to increase the yield and getting the most out of one can. As one job ends, another one begins, but please keep in mind you do not unwind the dispenser after you have started using the can. This prevents the dispenser from clogging, and my favorite feature about the new Smart Dispenser technology is that this can last up to 30 days of use, so you can go from job site to job site or project to project while still utilizing the same can. This is all due to the Smart Dispenser tip, which actually prevents air from getting into the straw once your fingers are off the trigger. The only thing to be mindful of is to make sure that you're not pushing down too hard on the tip when you're applying your product. No matter which can of Great Stuff you purchase, they all have this same Smart Dispenser technology, and by being mindful of not damaging the tip, you can be rest assured that your can will last as long as possible. Final pro tip when using the Smart Dispenser is to try and be mindful of releasing the trigger slowly. We want to prevent pressure buildup within the straw, so in order to accommodate that, making sure that you're closing it slowly when in use is always beneficial. And as you can see, the foam stops when you stop, so as the trigger is released, the foam ceases to dispense and makes for easy cleanup. Now off to the next project, and luckily for us, with the Smart Dispenser technology, we're bringing the same cans to the party. The only question is, which can I'm going to use next?